Okay, I will try my old LCD. I will try to test. I will try to install. Try. Then I will try to turn it on. Okay. So the phone is turning on. So with regards to display, my old LCD is displaying. So no problem. But of course, this LCD is defective. My old LCD is defective. Um, Ghost touch issue. That's why I tried to change it. I tried to buy a new one since this LCD of mine is defective. It has ghost touch. Sometimes cannot touch. So this one has LCD of mine has problem. Okay, now I will try to install your LCD, the new LCD I bought from your shop, Sealer LCD. Okay. Now I'm installing your LCD. Then I will try to test it on. Oh wait. Okay. Try to test it on again. Hmm. It only vibrates. It only vibrates but no display. So I think your new LCD has problem. You see? I will try to redact again the battery and the LCD connector. Okay, I will try to redact. Okay. Then I will try turn it on. Still, it vibrates. It has vibration but no display. Okay. And now I will install again my old LCD. Okay. So this one, my old LCD. Ay, this one is my old LCD. Then I will turn it on. uh, it's turning on. So my LCD has display, but your LCD, seller's LCD, nothing. Okay, so please advise what to do. Thank you.